Good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe so you can get notified whenever I post meaningful content like this one. So in this video today, I'll be teaching you how to remove watermark from your video using Canva. How do you do that? You go to your video, then select video. Now the size or the frame or where you want to post the video to will determine which template you are going to go for. You can see we have different templates here. We have this one, mobile, Facebook video. Can you see Instagram reels, TikTok videos, YouTube videos? So depending on what you want is what will determine what the format that picture that format that you have your video is what you will select here so you can import it properly. So for this particular tutorial, the video I already have that I want to remove the watermark from is in Facebook size format, this one. So what I'm going to do is go back to home, click on this select all. Can we see? So I can have access to the blank page. I don't want the one that has video already. I want the one I can edit, I can import video into directly by myself. So I'll pick this one, then carry my video from gallery like this, using this one, gallery. The video should be under, this is the video, so add to page.
Dear school owners, you can learn how to create video content with AI tools. You can also use your preferred pictures for making videos.
Now, can you see the
Dear school owners, you can learn how to create video content with AI tools.
Go about it.
You can also use your preferred pictures for making videos.
Can you see?
You can use such videos for advertising your school.
Or you use that.
You can use it to tell stories.
Put your logo.
Would you be interested in learning how to create such videos for free? To register, contact.
I want to change the background picture of that one so it can rhyme, okay? So I'm going to use my logo to cover that place, to cover that watermark. So here I have my logo. I don't like it, so let me remove it. Let me remove the logo. I will just cut that watermark away like this, like just drag this aspect and then drag it up to remove the watermark. Okay, can you see? It's as if I am trying to change the size of the video, so I can now drag it out again. So when I'm done, so as you can see, I have successfully removed the watermark. I have successfully removed the watermark. Let's say I want to add some text to it. I want to add some text to it before downloading it. I can do that and then bring it here. I don't want that place to look so, okay, something like this. I can change the color to white. Okay, so I think this is better. the way I want it. Okay, so this is the way I want it. Then I'll click on the download button. Yeah, I'll click on it, click on download mp4, yes, then download it. And that will be all. Please subscribe, share this video. Thank you.